Hello, we are ParseHub. Today, we will be going over how to scrape and download images from any website. After all, downloading lots of images from a website can be quite time-consuming. Right-click, save image as, repeat ad nauseum. In these cases, web scraping is the solution to your problem. A web scraper will help you extract the URL for every image on a web page. We will also go over how to use this extracted list to quickly download all the images to your computer. In order to complete this simple task, you'll need a web scraper that can collect the URLs in question. ParseHub is a free and incredibly powerful web scraper, the perfect candidate for this task. Make sure to go to parsehub.com to download and install ParseHub before getting started. You can also just use the link in the description. For this example, we will assume that we are interested in downloading every image for the first 5 pages of results on Amazon.ca for wireless earbuds. This information could potentially be incredibly valuable for competitor analysis or product development. So let's get scraping. After downloading ParseHub, make sure you have it up and running on your computer. Then, get the specific URL of the page you're interested in scraping. In ParseHub, click on New Project and enter the URL from the Amazon website that we will be scraping. The web page will now render in ParseHub, and you will be able to choose the images you want to scrape. Begin by selecting the first image from the search results. It will then turn green, meaning it has been selected to be scraped. The rest of the images in the search results page will then turn yellow. Click on the second image to select all of the images on the page. Since these images also act as links to the product pages, ParseHub is extracting both the image URL and the link that it is pointing to. As a result, we will delete the URL extraction from the left sidebar and only keep the image extraction. Now, ParseHub will scrape every image URL from the first page of results. Now we need to tell ParseHub to extract the same information, but for the next 5 pages of search results. Click on the plus sign next to the page selection and use the select command. Then, click on the next button at the bottom of the search results page. By default, ParseHub will extract the link from the next button, so we will click on the icon next to the next selection and remove the 2 items under it. We'll then use the plus sign next to the next selection and use the click command. A window will pop up asking you if this is a next page link. Click on yes and enter the number of times you'd like this cycle to repeat. For this example, we will do it 5 times. Now comes the fun part, where we let ParseHub run and extract a list of URLs for every image that we have selected. Click on the Get Data button in the left sidebar. Here, you can select when to run your scrape. Although we always advise testing your runs before running a full scrape, we'll just run the scrape right now for this example. Now, ParseHub will scrape the image URLs you've selected. You can either wait on this screen or leave ParseHub. You'll be notified once your scrape is completed. Once your data is ready to download, click on the CSV Excel button. Now you can save and rename your file. Now that we have a list of all the URLs for every image, we will go ahead and download them to our computer with one simple tool. For this, we will use the Tab Save Chrome extension. Once installed in your browser, open the extension by clicking on its icon. This will open the extension, and then you can click on the Edit button in the bottom left corner to enter the URLs we just extracted. When you click on the Download icon in the bottom right corner of the extension window, all images will be automatically downloaded to your device. This might take a couple of seconds depending on how many images you're downloading. Following every step in this guide, you will end up with a folder of all of the images you needed to download. In this case, we downloaded hundreds of images from Amazon in less than 5 minutes. If you run into any roadblocks while setting up your ParseHub project, feel free to reach out to us at hello@parsehub.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on web scraping, data, and the internet.